Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to get a cash advance from the Dave app in 2025. If you're short on cash and need a quick fix, this app could be your new best friend. Let's dive right in. First things first, what is the Dave app? It's a user-friendly financial tool that lets you borrow money against your upcoming paycheck with low fees, making it a smarter alternative to traditional loans. But before you start, ensure you're eligible. You'll need a bank account with direct deposits, a steady income, and no major red flags in your banking history. Step 1. Head to your App Store, Google Play or Apple App Store, and download the Dave app for free. Once installed, open it and sign up with your email, phone number, and some basic details. Step 2. Link your bank account. This is crucial because Dave uses your transaction history to verify your income and determine how much you can borrow. Don't worry. It's secure and straightforward, just follow the prompts. Step 3. Check your dashboard for your available advance limit. Dave analyzes your finances to set this, so it might be a few dollars up to a couple hundred, depending on your situation. Step 4. Request your advance. Select the amount you need, review any fees, which are usually minimal, and confirm. The money often hits your account in minutes, but it could take up to a day. A quick tip. Always repay on time to avoid interest or penalties, and only borrow what you can afford. It's a great emergency tool, but use it responsibly. There you have it. Getting a cash advance from Dave is simple and fast. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.